Hey there, new drivers. Feeling the excitement of your first time behind the wheel, but also a bit nervous. That's completely normal. I've been working on cars for over 10 years, and today, I'm here to share 10 essential driving tips that every new driver needs to know. And get this, doing just one simple thing could reset your car and fix it for free. You heard me right. Stick with me until the end because tip number 5 is a game changer that could save you a ton of money. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, the hidden power of the battery reset. First up, let's talk about your car battery. If you're having weird issues like your car stalling or the dashboard lights acting up, it could be a bad battery connection. Here's a quick trick. Disconnect the battery for about 5 minutes, then reconnect it. This forces your car's computer to reset. It sounds simple, but it can fix a lot of issues, like weak electrical signals or glitches in the system. And guess what? It's completely free. Tip number 2, hard reset your car's computer. Now let's get into something more advanced, the car's computer system. It controls everything from engine performance to fuel efficiency. If your car is running poorly or the check engine light comes on for no reason, it might just need a reset. Here's what you do. Turn the car on, then turn it off 3 times in a row. That's right, 3 times. This hard reset can clear out glitches and improve your car's performance. Quick, easy, and free. Tip number 3, check and reset your ECU. Next up, the ECU, your car's electronic control unit. This controls most of the car's functions. If your car's shifting roughly or acting sluggish, a simple reset might do the trick. Here's how. Disconnect the ECU fuse for about 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This lets the system reset itself and recalibrate. It's like rebooting your computer. It clears out old errors. Tip number 4, reset the airbags, only if safe to do so. Here's a cautionary tip, your airbags. If the airbag light is on for no reason, don't panic. It could just be a faulty sensor. To reset it, find the reset button under the dash near the steering wheel. Press it, and boom, your airbag system is reset. But be sure to check your car's manual first. If there's a real issue with the airbags, don't reset them yourself. Safety first. Tip number 5, clear the engine codes yourself. Let's talk about that annoying check engine light. Everyone hates it. You might think you need to go to a mechanic to figure it out. But here's the truth, you can clear the codes yourself. All you need is an OBD2 scanner, which you can get for under $50. Plug it in, clear the codes, and the light goes off. Simple as that. Tip number 6, resetting your car's transmission. Now, if your car is shifting roughly or slipping gears, it might need a reset of its transmission system. Here's a simple fix. Put the car in drive and leave it there for about 10 seconds. This allows the system to recalibrate and helps the car shift more smoothly. No mechanic required. Tip number 7, resetting the tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. Next, let's talk about the tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. If that light keeps flashing on your dashboard, it's not always a sign of low tire pressure. After you've filled up your tires, sometimes the system just needs a reset. To do this, drive the car for about 10 minutes at 50 miles per hour or faster. That'll reset the system automatically. No trip to the mechanic necessary. Tip number 8, Why resetting your car saves you money. Now, why should you even bother with these resets instead of going to a mechanic? The answer is simple. Resetting your car saves you money. Most of the time, mechanics charge you to reset your car's systems. So why not do it yourself for free? Think about it. You could save hundreds of dollars over time by doing these simple resets yourself. Tip number 9, reset your car's HVAC system. Let's talk about your car's HVAC system, the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. If your air conditioning or heater isn't working right, it could be due to a system glitch. Here's a simple fix. Turn the car off, then start it again, and immediately set the temperature controls from full hot to full cold several times. This can reset the system's sensors and help restore proper airflow. It's a quick way to fix issues like air blowing too hot or cold. No need for an expensive service call. Tip number 10, reset your car's key, fob, or remote. Host, holding the car's key fob. If your key fob or remote stops working, whether it's not unlocking the doors or not starting the car, there's an easy fix you can do yourself. Remove the battery from the key fob and reinsert it after 10 seconds. You can also press any button on the fob while the battery is out to drain any remaining charge. Once you put the battery back in, the system will often reset itself, and your key fob will work like new. It's a small trick, but it can save you the hassle of paying for a new key fob or remote. So there you have it, 10 tips to reset your car and save yourself a ton of money. Which tip was your favorite? Or maybe you have a secret car hack of your own. Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips that can help you fix your car for free. Stay in control of your ride, and remember, driving smart saves you time and money.